What it do, YouTube folks? Y'all see it's the next day. I'm doing something else. I stay doing something, man. Oh yeah, make sure y'all tap into this. May 26th and 27th. XRP is going down. Anyway, man, y'all hit them buttons, man, if y'all haven't, man. Y'all see what's going on, spraying that black on that block. It ain't gotta be perfect, but it's gonna look good. I'm gonna also spray all this. I got the fender well on. I don't know if I'm gonna spray these because I don't know if I'm gonna replace them or what. More than likely, I'm gonna replace them. So they not bad, but it's on a fresh black part. Frame bush, I'm replacing all that shit. I'm going in with this. Y'all see what I was doing with the computer, so still trying to see how I'm gonna route that. Go to the inside. Let y'all see the inside. What I had going on. So I seen it yesterday, like I said earlier. Shit. This what I got going on with the inside right now, y'all. Computer getting taken out of here. I'm putting a new computer in, new wire. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that video as well. Tired for that. Yeah, y'all see what I'm doing today, painting. I even painted the fan. Check me out. Loud color. Y'all see what color the car going, right? I ain't sprayed no clear on them yet. I'm still sanding down. I got to re-sand down the fuel rail. Pull the alternator off because that's going green. And the intake back there. And the throttle body going green too. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. That's what's going on today. I'm using that, where that paint at? This shit here, that fucking engine paint, man. Hopefully. So it can, high temperature like it say, man. Started down there, man. Hood builds, man. Y'all know this a hood build. Still working on the money, Carlo. 350 had to come out. Had to put the 5.3 in. Anyway, this the 5.3 I went with. This came out of 2003, so this is a LM7 5.3. I don't know how many horses out the gate, but shit, I ain't do nothing to it. I plan on doing something to it, but for now, I'm finna start. I got my transmission line down there. I gotta hook up. I got a room that wire harness, y'all. I got a little work. You know what I'm saying? I got a little work. So, yep, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Shit. Subscribe to that channel, man. We're gonna show y'all the logo. Tune into that, too. Instagram be having dailies. Instagram be having daily stuff I be doing on the daily. Before you gonna see it in the video, so y'all make sure y'all tune into that too. Let's go, y'all.